Behold, my greatest invention yet. TrashBot 3000. It picks up trash. Whoa!
Yay!
Detecting trash. No going out to play with Brooklyn until everything is cleaned up in here. But TrashBot is off limits while I'm gone. He's still getting used to his programming.
Sounds good. Have a great day at work, Dad. Listen, TrashBot, can you clean up for me? Dad said I can't go and play with Brooklyn until everything is cleaned up.
Mission accepted. Friend.
Sounds good. Keep an eye on TB over here for me. I've got a BFF to call.
And I have some acronyms to look up.
Detecting trash. Everything will be cleaned up. Trash.
This is great.
Yes, but Dad did say...
Detecting trash.
Hey, that's not trash.
At least it's not a picture of us.
No, not Lammy Poo. That's not trash. That's my best friend.
I'm not your best friend.
Not today, TrashBot. Not today.
Something's wrong with TrashBot.
You think?
The mission was to clean everything. You are part of everything. Detecting trash.
Not trash. Not trash.
Trash. Detecting
Trash.
His battery's empty.
Thank the gears.
Hey, is TB almost done? Brooklyn, we'll have to reschedule. I think I'm grounded.